YouTubers. I'm going to show you a quick review of my new serger by Serger. I got it at Walmart for $2.05 in Houston, Texas area. And here are the tension discs. And what's so cool is the serger comes with a DVD that explains everything, how to thread the serger, and makes it really easy and simple. And as you can see, my settings for my tension discs, I have the thread on 8, 7, and 5. And I kind of want my tension to be kind of tight, and over here I have it set on 3. And my setting here, as you can see, was the original setting, and I'm using 1 needle and 3 spools of thread to get the small seam on my fabric. So I'm going to demonstrate exactly how this works. So I'm going to go, and as you can see, the knife is, let me be careful here because I'm using the camera and using one hand, but here we go. I'm gonna move this thing around. Okay. Now I had to do this a few times to get my adjustments right. And here it is. It's perfectly serged on both sides. What I love about serging is it makes the edges very smooth and professional. This is my first time actually using my serger, and so far I really like it. So stay tuned for more sewing tutorials and machine usage. Thank you guys for tuning in.
Wait, you haven't seen the best part yet. Here are some amazing offers and specials available for one time only. You can't afford to miss it.